if na AY they contest for that election, all the comedians go dey post am. Vote for our oga, the influence go dey go. Why Banking W boys no post am? Wizkid and Scales. Like say Wizkid post that thing, vote both Banking W. If for help, if for win. Okay, make we say Wizkid dey busy. Wetin Scales dey work. Hold on. Buju go say I roll up my shawarma. Your mates they roll Igbo, they roll shawarma. Now this hand they want to take fight Ruga. Thank God say case may come. The former DJ who come for this show, they never release them. APC they call him for one event. He go there, go they play M.O.P 74. The show must go on. After the show, we're going to go. Oh my, this Lagos. One of the guys for the election, why I see they feel bad for till today. Now my guy, Banky W. Because that nigga worked so hard for that election. If you don't stay island, you go say from pole to pole, Banky W poster they everywhere. Now it's your sound, now they contest for. In poster is Surulere. Baba put poster everywhere. You know, come win. Now in boys are the vex for. Because for example, na entertainer na if na AY they contest for that election, all the comedians go dey post am. Vote for our oga, the influence go dey go. Why Banking W boys no post am? Wizkid and Scales. Like say Wizkid post that thing, vote both Banking W. If for help, if for win. Okay, make we say Wizkid dey busy. Wetin Scales dey work. Yes now. We don't go through a lot to see that when money no day, no cash. We just go church one day, right? Pastor say, dip your hand into your pocket, raise up your offering unto heaven. Baba, everybody, now choir begin sing, say you dey why me? Baba, where cash now? You do blood money, I want to get cash. But anyhow, the 12 for this country, we must survive because we don't see and finish. See big men now, see table. Ask big men the kind of car they drive. They reply with pleasure because they have nothing to lose. See this chairman now, this fine man will sit down here. So what kind of car do you drive? You hear I drive a Rolls Royce Phantom 2022 model. Big boy. Where Oga Maju? Ask Oga Maju, so what kind of car do you drive? I drive a Corolla 2025 model. Then customize them for him. Big man. Ask poor man this same question. Huh? Which poor man I go use now? Ask this cameraman. I don't feel happy people at the table now. Customers are always right. Now vendor, I go back and for backstage. Ask poor man this same question. Papa Emeka, which kind of car you drive? He reply, my brother, all these flashy cars they see, they know they last. Which one you drive? Papa, poverty bad oh. You know that poverty go make you lodge for hotel. You know, Greek come out in 12:30. Make your money just complete. You go wake up, eat free breakfast, use their Wi-Fi, use their towel. 12:29 when they come out, you go see thief towel. Poverty will kill you. Poverty is bad. Anyhow, you take check out. For example, now if now this bros we wear white, get car and I him by table. You know, say in two friends and then plan to come the show by 8 p.m. In two friends go bath by 6, can't wait for a parlor. Come they follow children and watch cartoon with no plan. And then you go see their children, they ask you question, uncle, are you really my daddy's friend? But they don't know how their papa is successful, you know they're successful. Iron sharpening iron. But poverty bad though. You think that clear eye, Regina Daniel take money woko. You think that I inspect? There's nothing God cannot do. Do you know that Regina Daniel, one time she did teenage church. Immediately after her wedding, she joined Christian Mothers. What God cannot do, I tell you for free, man. Money good. And what did they take no big men? One of the things when they take no big men, you get where a big man go get money rich, and wife go no inside chick. If you dey pack back to go Abuja, now your wife go enter kitchen, begin call the girl, hello Stella. My husband is coming to Abuja. You know it's only you I trust with my husband. Please don't allow any other girl follow my husband, please. You know you're like a sister to me. And another thing, you get your man go big rich, you can never see a big man when they eat. Uninvited. Like Bros Amaju now, you know go feel run into him. See how where he dey chop. If you want to come see her for office, they go say, "Oh, guy is having breakfast." You go wait. You know, if any big man where you see for fast food, they say, "Pomo," say, "No, be that Pomo, raise her. No, my Pomo down that. No, raise her." You don't get eye to see riches, not to see big Pomo. All these Lagos girls, fine girls just full everywhere. I know all these boys there. Now everywhere in the child girl, even for burial, I go see how 2 boys they focus. So boy, this girl we fine her, she they cry like this. If this girl smile, she go find pass like this. Boys they focus, see them. All these bet Naija boys. We go use 100 naira they play to win 2 million. If not your papa business, go allow enter. Rubbish. I dey come on around my last joke, bros. My name is M.O.P comedian. In case you find me for Instagram, Baba, I know say work not today. And I hear from the guy this small thing. Mama just ginger me, get married. Then this generation and the former one are the same thing. I can't carry the girl enter fast food mode chop. You know fast food lights there everywhere. The girl can't dey mold eba, small, they swallow. I say, baby, eat well. And she say, no, I have small esophagus. I can't leave and she dey mold the eba like small pikin. Nepa can't take light everywhere dark. She can't rush, mold one big one, maybe like this guy head. And she won't swallow and then bring light. And she say, baby. I say, he say, honey, this one is for you. I say, yeah, swallow up. Good night, my name is M.O.P. Enjoy the rest of the show.